But that phone is not going to predict for you who is going to win this. Paramita Gharak and Abhishek Vishnoy find out that there is indeed a research firm that has put quant theory to work and already predicted who could win the cup.
Will it be the Samba boys or will it be Argentina? Neither of them, according to global financial powerhouse JP Morgan, which says it will be England. JP Morgan uses what it calls the quant theory to predict an English victory. Analysts say the theory, which considers the FIFA rankings, historical results and team strength to predict the winner, is fine, but on the ground it will be a different ballgame.
I think World Cup is too entertaining, and the stock market does not deserve being looked at so intensely. So I would say that I'm looking forward to the World Cup and very intently. You know, my measured guess is Brazil, Argentina, the lead teams.
Predictably, JP Morgan's findings have not gone down well with the fans of favourites like Brazil, Italy and France.
Brazilians believe in individual flair, and I think they've done that with a mix in this World Cup. Kaká is going to provide a lot of that in front. Robinho, I believe, is one of the most talented players. And it's like Indians playing cricket. Even if you pick up a guy from the road to play the game, he'll know how to hold the bat. The Brazilians know how to play football in the same capacity.
Of course, there's a big tussle between the head and the heart, but when it comes to soccer, it's a heart that matters.
With just 3 days to go for the ball to roll, there are no clear favourites on who will win the World Cup FIFA. But one thing is for certain, the tournament will offer a great time to all the football fans. Paramita Ghatak, ET Now, Mumbai.
Well, still ahead, coming up on ET Now is top